Welcome to Optimum Forex Trading. I apologize today, I'm a little bit late. It is Thursday the 21st of September, just after 8 here in Zimbabwe, and it's just after 2 New York time. I had challenges with transport coming to work this morning, so I'm a bit late on my screen, but I'm going to do a brief review of price action from yesterday and what I'm expecting price to do today, and whether I will decide to take a trade today or stay on the sidelines again. Okay, so let's look at yesterday's price action. If you recall, when this candle painted yesterday, I believe there was some news item that occurred. For me, I don't follow the news because Michael ICT, he advises that where the draw on liquidity for the week is, the market is likely to gravitate towards it regardless of the news. News is just a catalyst where momentum is concerned, but if the market is bearish, the market is going to be bearish regardless of the news announcement. So anyways, let me take you back to yesterday. This candle that painted, we didn't manage to get an entry in the morning because we were waiting for price to come up to premium on the H1, which it didn't, because this is our trading method. I think this is the range that we had outlined of our fib, and we needed price to come up to premium during the morning session. Also, if you remember, I highlighted the relative equal highs that were there already, and would have liked to see price come up then come down. Unfortunately, price in the morning started off by coming down, and already when this leg was painted, it was within my kill zone, and there was no need for me to get in with this trade because the market had already left without me. So I left it, and then I marked my CB on the 15-minute, that range. I marked my midpoint. I also marked the order block, and I waited to see if price would be willing to come up, retest, go down, which here it did. But if this candle had painted before 4 a.m., I probably would have considered a bearish entry. It would have eventually taken me out because I would have put the stop loss just above this high. Market would have taken me out and then continued bearish. However, because I'm following my rules and I have to get a trade set up within a certain time, I wasn't in this trade. Nevertheless, market did eventually find its way up. It came and retested that area, the OTE area that we had spoken about earlier. It didn't take Tuesday's high because normally Tuesday creates the high of the week. Not always, but quite a lot of the time. So Tuesday did maintain its high. Wednesday traded just below the high of Tuesday, but it traded within this CB range and also within this OTE. So having said that, price then during the evening session created its own bearish leg. So for now, I'm going to remove this, and then I'm going to measure yesterday's leg, because this is now our new OTE range that we are looking forward to price coming up. As usual, our kill zone is between 2 a.m. If you look at the bottom here, it's the one that will tell you the time where New York is concerned. So our kill zone is from 2 up until 4, or rather my kill zone is over these 2 hours. So within these 2 hours of play, because you can see right now market is at the weekly swing low level, and if these 2 hours of my kill zone are able to paint, somehow come up into my OTE range, create a CB within the 15-minute time frame or 5-minute time frame that is between 2 a.m. and 4 a.m., to me, that will be a indication for entry, and I would enter on my way down. However, if market decides to continue down and not come in within the time frame, as usual, today I will sit on my hands and I will allow Mr. Market to do what he wants to do. I will also leave this OTE range here I will not move my stop loss because next week market could decide to come down, come back up to this range, then work its way down if the market is still bearish. My analysis for next week's direction I will do over the weekend. So for now, I need Thursday and Friday to paint first, and then weekend I'll do my market review for next week. So for today, that's all I'm waiting for. Price has to come up here within my time frame or my kill zone for me to consider an entry. If it doesn't, I'm not trading. Simple. Okay, so that's it for my analysis for today. I will again, if I have to come in later, I will be typing. I will not be speaking because of time where I am. Very soon I'm going to have people coming into the office for meetings or just to say hi, and I can't be stopping them for me to record, unfortunately, because I want to record live. So right, that's it. I'm going to leave my levels open. Where market is concerned, we are still in the trade. This is the current stop loss. I'm not moving it for now because this is the CB that I'm watching where this next week, this coming week's price action is concerned, to see if it's willing to come and reprice here and then go down. So just to explain a bit, this is my current profit. However, this is my current equity because I was in drawdown below before. So my target for this account is to get to 800, and then I pass phase 1. Phase 2 is 500 profit, and then if I get that, I then get a live trade. For now, it's a trader's choice. Phase 1 challenge, the same as well on this account. With this one is just an account that I entered to see, or rather, let me put it this way, to have an idea of how I would feel trading a larger capital account if there was going to be anything different. So I decided to take on this competition and trade it as I would trade a normal challenge account, and just see how I would feel. And I don't feel any different. This is the current profit, and this is the current equity. Again, because I'm trading it the same as I am. This was the drawdown, the first couple of trades that I took where I was either taken out or I closed too early. That's the range. Basically, you can see right here, okay, where I was either taken out, or these are the trades taken out, or I closed too early. Like this, I closed too early. It wouldn't have come to my stop. This one did. This one didn't. I closed it too early because I was in panic. I had held the one that I had traded the week before, and had I left these open, I would probably still be in the trade. They would be up here with the rest, but never mind. We learn as we go. I'm still very new at this, so yeah, I'm learning. So that's it. I'll be back. Well, see, market is going down. I would have loved for it to come up within my kill zone first for it to go down, but it doesn't matter. Let's leave it, and then if it retests and comes down still, my position is there. This stop loss is there protecting it. If it then decides to turn and change its direction to bearish, my stop loss is here. At least my account won't be blown, and I'm protecting my equity. Okay, right, till later then. I will continue to speak to you in text mode. Thank you so much. See you in a bit.